Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses you can try checking in case your radio is not powering up, or if there is no sound coming from the speakers, or maybe the display stopped working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. All the radio fuses will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin, located just here next to passenger left leg. Now, to remove this cover, you just want to pull it towards yourself, and that will get you access to all of the fuses. On the back side of this cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check is fuse number 5, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. So first one on the top, and this is a fuse that supplies power to the infotainment system. Couple of slots under this fuse, there is fuse number 9, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse. This is your main radio fuse, so this fuse supplies power to the radio unit. And the last fuse to check will be fuse number 31, which is a 30 amp fuse located here, and this is your amplifier fuse. So in most cases, if there is no sound coming from the speakers but your radio is powering up, most likely you have problems with your amplifier, so you want to check this fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.